Hey, how's it going? Yesterday I broke my board. Broke it on a 360 flip, which I always break boards on 360 flips. So now I gotta set up a new one. So the next board I have to do some modifications to it. I have to re-drill it, and I need to cut it down a little bit. I need to make it smaller, so here, we'll take a look at it. So, it's a custom paint job, but I've already marked out, and I already started whittling away at it. But I have it traced out the length I want. I'm gonna take off a little of the tail, little of the nose, re-drill it, and we'll get it how I like it. All right, now that it's double drilled and cut to shape, which it ended up, let's see, ended up about 31 3/16 an eighth. Just shy of 7-inch nose, 6.5 tail, or maybe a little shorter. It's about 6.5, whatever. But now the last thing to do is to clear coat all the raw edges that I cut. So well, the board's all dry and I got it all together. I filmed myself putting it together, but it looks like I didn't press record. So man, I'm losing it. And tonight I'm going to the California training facility for Heritage Skate Shop. It's an event they're having. So that's the end of the video. I didn't get any footage at the training facility, California training facility, because I wrenched my back and I had to get out of there quick. So, yada, yada, yada. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be skating soon. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Thanks. Have a good one.